Welcome to the first in our series of mini webinars where Maria and I are going to be showing you how to use ThingLink in different ways. This webinar is about the integration with ThingLink and Canva. I have an example here which I've created, which is an infographic style poster. And this is there to remind everybody of their responsibilities of health and safety in the workplace or the campus. And each of the points within this are really valuable information that I need to convey to everybody. So how can I make sure that the information is not locked within the poster or the infographic and everyone can access it? So I've turned it into this interactive ThingLink project, and I've added hotspots. I've even got a welcome introduction from a fictitious CEO, and this has closed captions as well, making sure that everybody can access the information. Each of the points here has important graphics, and it's showing this in a multimodal way. I can even translate this into different languages with one click. That's the tags be translated. And I can also open this up as a viewer with a web accessibility player, which means it can be used with things like screen readers. It turns it into a digital asset, which means it can be accessed anywhere, anytime, and on any device. And you could even add a QR code retrospectively to any printed materials, making sure that everyone can scan it and access it too. And it's not just for workplaces. Imagine this in education as well. And here I have an interactive infographic that I've created with ThingLink and Canva together. And I've actually used this base media or this base infographic through the learning library that Canva offers. And you can see here I've added hotspots in, a bit like before, making it more interactive and engaging, but these open up in sequence. So we're guiding our learners through the information, so it doesn't increase cognitive overload, but it also means that all of the text which is in this infographic is now accessible. So all of these things I've created using Canva for the base media and then opening it through the integration with ThingLink and adding these hotspots. And Maria is going to show you exactly how to do it.
Thank you, Louise. Let's see how to add tags and use the Canva integration. So I'll click the blue Create button and select Image and Design with Canva. You can create a new Canva design if you don't have one ready, but let's open this design and start adding our tags. You can add the tags just by putting in a prompt and a PDF, and it will generate tags, but let's see how to do this manually. So let's click Add Tag and select this Text and Media Tag tab, which is very versatile tag as you can add text, images, videos, PDFs, and audio. I will add a title and description, and from here I will upload a video from my device. And I would like to add a closed captions to my video. So from here I will upload closed captions file. Yep. And from here you can put them on like that. While I'm at it, I will also change the icon of this tag like this, and you can place the tag just by clicking and dragging them to the desired place. I'm not completely done yet with these tags. I also want to add an image, so I will search for it. There you go. And I will add also captions and alt text. And I will use the same process for the other tags as well. Now I would like to add a few things to my background image, so click Done and click More Actions menu and click Edit with Canva. Now I'll be taken to Canva editor and I can edit my design as I like. So let's add this text here, but you can also add any other element to the design. For example, this graphic right here. Let's make it smaller. Yeah, actually, I'm not sure about using this, so I'll just delete it. Now that I'm ready with the background, I'll click Return to ThingLink and wait a bit for the changes to synchronize. Right. And now that I added the rest of the tags, I will go to Settings and enable Guided and Locked mode to ensure the viewer will use the tags in the order I intended. You can also adjust the tag sequence here like this, but it seems like they're already in the right sequence. But anyway, now I want to share my project, and I will first ensure that the link is public. Click Share, and you can see that you can embed this on your website or LMS, view this in Accessibility Player, on your VR headset, or add it to a ThingLink landing page. But I will copy this share link. And that's it. Now you know how to turn a Canva resource into interactive and accessible learning experience with ThingLink. Thank you for watching and see you in the next mini webinar.